Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload Cash App transactions to QuickBooks. Before you begin in QuickBooks, the first thing you need is a CSV file that contains your Cash App transaction history. This file is important because QuickBooks uses it to import your activity manually when you're not connecting the account directly. A CSV file basically organizes your transaction information into columns, making it easier for QuickBooks to read and import the data. If you haven't downloaded it yet, start by opening Cash App on your device. From there, tap the Activity tab so you can view your transaction history. Next, select the profile icon, then scroll until you find Statements. In that section, choose the month you want and export or download your activity as a CSV file. Make sure you're selecting the correct period so the transactions you import match the records you want to add to QuickBooks. Make sure you save the file somewhere easy to find, since you'll need it in just a moment when you move over to QuickBooks. Saving it to your Downloads folder or another clearly labeled location can make the upload process quicker. Once your CSV file is ready, sign into QuickBooks Online. After you're inside your accounts, go to Transactions and then select Bank Transactions. This is the section where QuickBooks lets you manage imported financial activity and review records before adding them to your books. On that page, look for the drop-down arrow next to Link Account. Instead of linking a bank, choose Upload from File. This option is what allows you to manually bring in transaction data from your Cash App export, which is useful when you want to upload a specific file rather than connect an account directly. Now select your CSV file from your computer. After the file uploads, QuickBooks will ask you to map the columns from your spreadsheet to the correct QuickBooks fields. This part matters because it tells QuickBooks which column contains the dates, which one contains the description, and which one shows the amount. Think of this step as helping QuickBooks understand how the information in your CSV file is organized. Take your time here and make sure each field matches correctly. If the columns are mapped properly, your transactions will import much more smoothly and be easier to review afterward. It's also worth double-checking the column selections before moving forward, especially if your spreadsheet contains additional information. Once the columns are mapped, continue by following the on-screen prompts. QuickBooks will guide you through the remaining import steps and let you confirm the transaction details before finalizing everything. After the upload is complete, it's a good idea to review the imported transactions in the Bank Transaction section to make sure the amounts and dates look accurate. This is a simple final check that can help you confirm that the information was imported the way you expected. That quick check can help you catch formatting issues early, especially if your CSV file uses a date or amount format that QuickBooks interprets differently. Reviewing your transactions before continuing with your bookkeeping can also make it easier to spot any missing or incorrectly imported information. And that's how to upload Cash App transactions to QuickBooks. If you move carefully through the export, upload, and mapping process, it's a pretty straightforward task and a useful way to keep your records organized.